At the BMW Group plant Hams Hall, a futuristic approach to monitoring and maintaining manufacturing equipment is being implemented with the use of a robot dog. This highly advanced robotic system is designed to scan and oversee the intricate machinery used in the production of automotive components, enhancing efficiency and safety within the facility. The robot dog, equipped with cutting-edge sensors and cameras, patrols the plant autonomously. It can navigate through narrow and complex environments that are typically challenging or hazardous for human workers. Its primary role is to conduct routine inspections and surveillance, capturing real-time data about the condition and performance of the machinery. This includes detecting signs of wear and tear, monitoring operational parameters, and identifying potential faults before they lead to breakdowns. This innovative use of technology not only optimizes maintenance schedules, but also significantly reduces downtime and increases the lifespan of the equipment. By implementing such advanced robotics, BMW Group plant Hams Hall is not only leading in automotive manufacturing efficiency, but also in adopting Industry 4.0 technologies, which blend traditional manufacturing processes with smart technology. This initiative showcases BMW's commitment to innovation and its pursuit of excellence in automotive manufacturing.